You are extremely high today. And when you're drug tested today, what are you going to be positive for?
Marijuana.
And what else? Do you want to get drug tested today? Follow recommendations and also a referral to felony drug court. This is going to help you. All right. Thank you.
How long am I going to be?
Gun, buckle up, guys. This cocky Karen just walked into Judge Boyd's courtroom acting like she runs the place. And honestly, it didn't take long before things went downhill fast. She's dodging questions, talking back, and acting like every sentence from the judge is some personal attack. But the real twist, Judge Boyd actually thought she might be high. And if a judge suspects that, they can pause the hearing and have you tested or even arrested right there. By the end, Karen gets hit with a harsh reality check she definitely didn't see coming. Was she high or just that arrogant? Let me know in the comments. Let's dive in.
Dora Bravo, can I have parties announced?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Michael Bellable from Miss Bravo.
And are you Miss Bravo? I'm going to need you to keep your voice up one so that I can hear and so the court reporter can hear. Thank you. All right, thank you. So, have you received all discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Bravo, did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Your charge is possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes,
To
ma'am.
review the plea bargain page with your attorney, did you understand it?
Ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at an $800 fine. State record provision, deferred adjudication. They're taking in consideration 2025 AL 005470. Did you understand that to be defense?
Yes.
State?
It is her.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Counsel, are there be any such motions?
No, ma'am.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There be a TAP evaluation, community service restitution, no contact with Roberto Avalos Jr. and JCPenney stores, the life skills course, and the anti-theft course. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
State offers states 1 and attachments.
No objections.
Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We just asked the court follow the recommendation from the state.
All right, are you employed?
Ma'am.
How do you support yourself?
My boyfriend.
Who is your boyfriend?
Pedro
Pedro who?
Diaz.
And what happened to Roberto Avalos?
What do you mean? What happened to him?
I mean, you were in a car with him. Is he no longer in your life?
No, he's incarcerated, but nobody stated that I was dating him. I was just.
All right, guys, something's definitely not adding up with her. Whether it's drugs, entitlement, or just straight up attitude. Nobody strolls into court acting this casual unless something's seriously off. And that bit about getting a ride from another guy while she's got a boyfriend. Yeah, that's raising some red flags. 2, she's not loud, but her whole energy screams like she thinks she's above all of this. Honestly, it feels like she's treating court like an inconvenience, not something serious. But here's where Judge Boyd catches an end. Trust me, things shift fast once that suspicion clicks. Let's dive back in and see how this plays.
Did you know him before you accepted a ride from him?
Yes, I did.
All right, and how did you know him?
Friend of family.
Do you have any children?
I do.
What are their ages?
He is 15.
And who is the 15-year-old with?
He is with his uncle and his guardian.
And when you're drug tested today, what are you going to be positive for?
Marijuana.
And what else?
Um,
Now, that's not just about it. Do you want to get drug tested today? So here's the thing. I'm trying to set conditions for you so you'll be successful on probation. In order for me to do that, you need to be honest with me. All right? So if you use before coming to court, that's not a violation of your probation because you were not on probation. So what are you going to be positive for?
drugs.
Well, I wasn't with you. So what type of drugs?
The kind that for methamphetamines.
All right. So when's the last time you used meth?
24 hours ago.
Okay. Do you have any family support?
Yes. Concerned fit. Yes.
All right. Who's supporting you as far as someone you can go to help you maintain your sobriety?
My brother.
Your brother?
My oldest brother.
Okay. When's the first time you started using?
In 2017.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. There's going to be an $800 fine that will be probated. 3 years deferred adjudication. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. There's to be no residing with minors. Taking consideration 2025 AL 005470. There's going to be 100 hours of community service restitution. Once parenting is completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. There's to be no contact with Roberto Avalos Jr., no contact with J.C. Penney stores. Counsel, I'm not going to do the anti-theft course because I think the theft course is related to the drug issues. And I think if that problem is solved, then there'll be no need for the other. But I am going to recommend the life skills course. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. In custody, there's to be a TAP evaluation, follow recommendations, and also a referral to felony drug court. Probation is and field visits 1 time per month for 6 months. Probation, is there anything else? All right, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. We can go off the record. This is why you're going in custody. You are extremely high today. And if I allow you to walk out of here, what's going to end up happening is you're going to use more meth.
No.
And who knows what will end up happening. You may get some bad drugs.
Why couldn't you give me the benefit of the doubt? I just got out on bond. I'm trying to change. I'm doing what I'm.
I know this is going to help you. All right. Thank you.
How long am I going to be gone?
Thank you, counsel. It's to help her.
I understand.
And they should be, a felony drug court will probably be able to see her before the week is out.
Okay.
All right.
So she'll be in until the referral is over?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
All right, guys. Something feels way off with this woman right now. I mean, does anyone sober actually walk into court acting like this? Judge Boyd clearly picks up on it, too. And honestly, you can feel the shift in the room when he starts suspecting she's under the influence. And can we talk about her getting rides from random dudes while she supposedly has a boyfriend? That's definitely raising eyebrows. But whether it's attitude, drugs, or both, there's no denying something seriously not right here. Let me know what you guys think. Was she high or just full of herself? Let's dive back in.
I have defense.
All right. And are you Mr. Roberto Avalos Jr.?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Avalos, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4 to 200 grams? That's a second-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine and no applications. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
State offer states one in attachments.
No objection.
Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Your Honor. Fair County District Clerk's records reflect 44 days. I think that might be slightly inaccurate because I believe he's been under arrest either in this county or in other county since August the 22nd, 2023.
All right. If you will make sure to verify that with the clerk. What I can tell you, sir, if there is any time that you've been in custody while this case has been open, you'll receive credit for that. All right. The court will find you guilty, sentence you to 6 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's a $2,000 fine. Time and money run concurrent. There's to be no contact with Dora, D-O-R-A, Marie, M-A-R-I-E, Bravo. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor, but I believe that's required under rules of ethics. The pending case is complainant, or rather the person you said he must have no contact with. I think that case is still pending in your court.
All right. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, sir.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney.
Understand? Geo, right, guys? This is exactly what happens when you lose control of your life. Honestly, I'm torn here. Part of me feels bad for this girl because showing up to court completely out of it is sad, not just reckless. But let's be real, she got lucky this time. A few days in custody, then she's out once a referral clears. It could have been way worse. Now, though, her co-defendant, that's a whole different story. He's looking at serious prison time, possibly 20 years, with a plea deal offering 6. What do you guys think? Does he deserve that much? Drop your thoughts below and let's see how this plays out. Arrange, buckle up, guys. That's the end of this courtroom chaos. Honestly, it's wild how the woman basically walked away with a slap on the wrist, just a few days in and some probation, while her co-defendant is looking at 6 years minimum. Same crime, totally different outcomes. But that's how courts work sometimes. Your attitude, how you act in front of the judge, even how serious you seem about changing can literally decide your future. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Was this fair? Too soft? Either way, hit that like and subscribe for daily content. Thanks for watching.